A worn, leather wallet lay half hidden under a dusty old cart, its contents peeking out. Little Bilal, a young boy known for his cheerful spirit despite his humble background, spotted it while collecting discarded wood. His heart pounded as he picked it up. Inside were crisp banknotes, enough to buy food for months for his struggling family. A voice whispered, "No one saw you. This could solve all your problems." But another, stronger voice spoke of his mother's teachings about truth. With determination, Bilal clutched the wallet and began asking around, hoping to find its rightful owner. He walked through the bustling market, past the tea stalls and crowded shops, describing the wallet to anyone who would listen. Finally, an old tailor, Master Karim, recognized the description and rushed forward, his face etched with worry. Bilal handed over the wallet. Master Karim checked its contents, sighed with immense relief, and his eyes welled up. Overwhelmed with gratitude, Master Karim offered Bilal a generous reward, praising his honesty to everyone present. Bilal went home, not just with a small reward, but with a lighter heart and a reputation for integrity that far outweighed any money. True honesty, even in dire circumstances, always leads to respect and a clear conscience, which are riches far greater than any material wealth.
एक शानदार मिट्टी का बर्तन जो अजमत के लिए था, इसकी हैरान आंखों के सामने अचानक हजारों चमकते टुकड़ों में बखर गया। रोशनपुर गांव का मशहूर कुम्हार आरीज अपने शाहकार के टुकड़ों को बेयकीनी से घोर रहा था। वो अपने पेचीदा डिजाइनों और अक्सर अपने अटल फखर के लिए जाना जाता था। ये बर्तन सालाना दस्तकारी मेले के लिए था, जहां आरीज हमेशा पहला इनाम जीतने की तवक्को रखता था। ऐसे तबाहकुन झटके का कभी तसव्वुर नहीं किया था। एक बूढ़ी औरत जो अपने सादा मगर मजबूत बर्तनों के लिए मशहूर थी, खामोशी से करीब आई। इसने नरमी से कहा, कभी कभी सबसे मजबूत मिट्टी को भी नर्म हाथ की जरूरत होती है। आरीज ने तंज किया, मेरे हाथ सबसे माहिर हैं। ये महज बदकिस्मती थी। इसने गुस्से से टूटे हुए डिजाइन को दोबारा बनाने की कोशिश की, लेकिन हर कोशिश बेदू और नामुकम्मल लग रही थी। दिन रात में बदल गए। आरीज तेजी से मायूस और थका हुआ होता जा रहा था। इसकी वर्कशॉप अधूरे और फेंके हुए बर्तनों से भर गई थी। इसकी मामूल की बेऐब महारत गायब हो चुकी थी। बिलाखिर इसने बूढ़ी औरत को काम करते देखा। वो एक सादा मजबूत पानी का घड़ा बना रही थी। इसकी हरकतें पुरसुकून और मरकूज थीं, तख्लीक के सादा अमल में खुशी तलाश कर रही थी। आजिज़ी के साथ आरीज इसके करीब आया। इसने पूछा, आप इतनी सुकून के साथ इतनी खूबसूरत चीजें कैसे बनाती हैं? इसकी खामोश महारत को तस्लीम करते हुए इसने मुस्करा कर कहा, हकीकी खूबसूरती दिखावे से नहीं आती, बल्कि इस मोहब्बत और आजिज़ी से आती है जो आप अपने काम में डालते हैं, ये जानते हुए कि हर टुकड़ा एक तोहफा है। आरीज ने कुछ अरसे के लिए अपने पेचीदा डिजाइनों को तर्क कर दिया और सादा मुफीद बर्तनों पर तवज्जो मरकूज की। अपने फिन से एक नई खुशी और गहरा ताल्लुक महसूस किया। इसकी नई तख्लीकात अगरचे सादा थीं, लेकिन गहरी मजबूती से भरी थीं। हकीकी ताकत और पायदार खूबसूरती गुरूर में नहीं बल्कि आजिज़ी में पाई जाती है।
His small hands trembled as he clutched the thick leather wallet, its contents undoubtedly valuable. A wave of conflicting emotions washed over him. Ali, a young boy from a struggling family, had just spotted it lying beneath a fruit stall in the bustling marketplace. He knew this money could solve many of his family's problems. Nearby, a well-dressed man, his face etched with panic, frantically questioned vendors about a lost item. Ali instantly recognized the wallet's potential owner. A fierce battle raged within Ali. His stomach ached from hunger, and his mother needed medicine, but his heart whispered of what was right. Taking a deep breath, he gathered his courage and slowly walked towards the distraught man. Every step felt heavy, yet determined. Sir, did you lose something? Ali asked softly, extending the wallet. I found this near the fruit stall. The businessman's eyes widened in disbelief, then filled with immense relief as he took the wallet. He quickly checked its contents, finding everything intact. Impressed by Ali's honesty and his simple, worn clothes, the man asked, "Why didn't you keep it? You seem to be in need." Ali simply replied, it wasn't mine to keep. Moved, the businessman offered to pay for Ali's education and support his family. Ali's honesty not only saved the businessman's day but also opened the door to a brighter future for him and his entire family. Their lives were forever changed. Honesty is not just the best policy, it is a seed that, when sown, always yields a harvest of unexpected blessings.